Namaskar to everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to cover the topic Alice in Wonderland. This is the fourth chapter of class 4th English. Here in this part we are going to understand the story of Alice and a very strange rabbit. Here you can see even in this picture. So let's begin the story. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. One day, Alice was lying under a tree and listening to the sister. Her sister was reading a storybook and Alice was just listening the story. And suddenly what happened? Suddenly Alice saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. When Alice was listening the story from her sister, she saw a white rabbit just come across and he had pink eyes and wearing a blue coat. Means the rabbit was very strange. You can even see here in this picture the rabbit was wearing a blue coat and it had pink eye. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." After that, the rabbit took out a big watch. You can see here the watch. Took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, the pocket of the coat, and hurried away and said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Means the rabbit was too late for doing something or reaching somewhere. She thought there was something very different about his rabbit. She means Alice. Alice thought that there is something different, very different about this rabbit, as it was wearing a blue coat, having a watch, having the pink eyes. Generally, we can't see all these features in a rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Even it could talk, it was able to talk also. So it was very strange and it was wearing a red waistcoat. You can see here inside the blue coat a red waistcoat is also there and it was carrying a watch. A talking rabbit. Alice was wondered to seeing the rabbit talking. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. After watching this amazing feature of rabbit, Alice was burning with curiosity. Means Alice wanted to know many things more about the particular rabbit. So she followed the white rabbit. After seeing all the different features, Alice followed the white rabbit. Then what happened? The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit by running. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Generally, rabbit lives in the rabbit holes. So there was a large rabbit hole and rabbit suddenly jumped into it. After seeing the rabbit jumped into the rabbit hole, Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. So the rabbit, as it was a large rabbit hole, Alice and rabbit both jumped into it and the rabbit went down and down into the very deep part of the earth. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen?" When Alice jumped, Alice is asking herself, "Where am I? How many miles down? How many kilometers I have fallen into the earth? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. Alice is thinking that she will be reaching the center of the earth. She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Even Alice is here wondering that whether I will jump this side of the earth or I will move out from the other side of the earth. Means Alice is very much wondered. So what happened next? Thump. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. One sound is created that thump. Alice falls on a piles of dry leaves. There were many dry leaves falls there and Alice falls on that pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. When he looked around here and there, she saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Again, after some time, the rabbit got disappeared, means looking guy something where it was not invisible. Means the rabbit was, after some time, the rabbit was quite invisible. And what the rabbit told? "Oh, my ears and whiskers." Ears you can see and whiskers, the long hair came out of the mouth. So the rabbit told, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it is getting." Again it told that I am getting so late. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. After that, Alice stood up and saw there a small door was there about 15 inches high, means just more than 1 feet. It was too small for her to go through. It was too small. It was that much small that Alice can't go through that window. So that door was 15 inches, so it is very difficult for the Alice to move into the door. She saw a glass table with a golden inside the door. She saw a glass table. There was a table of glass, the glass table, and what was there on the glass table? With a golden key on it. There was a golden key, a key which is made of gold. She tried the little golden key in the lock and to her delight it fitted. So she took the golden key, and when the Alice tried the golden key into the lock, it fitted. And Alice was delighted as it fitted. Delighted means happy. As the key fitted into the lock, Alice was happy. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. When Alice opened the door, what was there? She looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. You can see here in this picture also. Alice saw a beautiful garden, perhaps the most beautiful garden Alice had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. So Alice thought that how much time Alice would be there with this bed of flowers. You can see there were thousands of flowers, trees, and one cool fountains inside the garden. You can see one fountain is there from where water is sprinkling. So Alice was thinking that how much time she could be staying there. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. As the door was too small, Alice could not enter into the door. Simply, Alice was peeping from the door, means she was just watching the beautiful garden from this side of the door. Though the door was opened by the golden key. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. Now Alice thought that, "Oh, if I could become smaller, I could have entered into the door and I could enjoy the what? Beautiful, lovely garden. So, this was the story of Alice in Wonderland, and this story is adapted from the Alice in Wonderland, a whole novel, and it is written by the Lewis Carroll. It is written by Lewis Carroll. So let's come to few new words, and few new words you have already come across during this lesson. First one is scamper. Scamper means run with quick steps through fear. As the rabbit was scampered, means he was running quickly due to some fear or due to some hurry. For example, he scampered in like an puppy. He scampered in like an puppy means he was scampering like a puppy, small dog. The next word, hurried. Do something more quickly. If you are doing some work more quickly, you are in hurry. For example, I ate a hurried breakfast. As you are getting late for the school, you ate a hurried breakfast. Popped. Put or move somewhere quickly. If you will be visible somewhere quickly or if you will be inside quickly, it will be like popped. For example, she popped a pen into her pocket. She popped a pen into her pocket. Next word, disappear. Become invisible. As the rabbit was invisible inside the rabbit holes. For example, the rat disappeared into the trees. The rat disappeared into the trees. Next one is whiskers, a long projecting hair growing from the face. The long hair growing from the face, for example, of cat and tiger, all these are called whiskers. For example, the tigers have whiskers. You can see in this picture, the tigers have many whiskers. The next, we will discuss about the question answer part of Alice in Wonderland. So for till that time, goodbye, stay home, stay safe. If you have any queries, you can visit our blog superkbhens.blogspot.com, or you can directly write to me at the email akm.kbs@gmail.com. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.